Norfolk County Council omo de apple omo siw apple na omo buta nti omo siw apple ne se omo say apple twantro kire omo in 2018 concerning how ana apple AC ekoso ewo China. Na omo say according to report na buy no omo say Apple CEO Tim Cook ekodi nkomo bi ekire ne stakeholders na asema no kan say iPhone sales in some areas be problematic as a trader cost no business in those countries in form. But Akabi say in relation to China specifically, I will not put China in that category. No, say iPhone in particular was very strong double-digit growth there. Let's just say omuton pa China. But say na omo say asem no credit because okan sa asem we in November no. Mamamfo bebre ekototo shares and I say omo invest in those areas China market no. Now omo wie ya anche even in that same November na no and Apple for hotel omo plan say omo create additional production lines China. Omo ye say wie ye no in January and omo buy back kire investors say omo earnings no akofom in the past 15 years omo earnings akofom sa da China. That means imagine say in November what be catch stakeholders say oh your market what China no cost pan business cost and among for do pension schemes na sa your friends say Norfolk County Council yes omo run some pension scheme bi edema omo employees na enam say omo sika de bia omo pension schemes omo investing into no abra Tim Cook can say business Apple for business in China cost no e mo so invest wo ho but a trainer Apple for sa buy ka say o ma start boka no na man for start ton mo shares mo purchase mo lose about $1 million because of sa semna Tim Cook kan no eno de say kodru ba bia emu oden a e se betimi abo Apple for ka e mo tue sika eso e de ama sa company si ye free one ko jemfi yenko Facebook for so asweye Facebook for say si say omo change omo dini ne meta no ukọ Facebook a owo no so no near friend news feed si say omo say anya news feed bi o say friend feed yes no omo say news feed no limit omo
okay
because as a news feed say as but news but say as a feed and say any information bia e ho bia it me fit in it say omo say they no more call it news feed but say an omo friend no feed. Apple for a release new products on March 8. Now, some new product, you say new product be involved the iPhone SE Plus, and apart from and also no, yet it is almost release the MacBook Air and probably the Mac Mini and so the Mac Pro no so no on be releasing on the March 8. Until March 8, Apple users and I say iPhone users no more money di Apple niema ho bia no mo date into March 8 Apple for be release new products bi e dia ba market ni mu so na usually ana for the iPhones ni dia release no around September October there but this time around tire laptops ni anase tablets anase more desktop use with you no eno bi na releasing in March. Me free so na me call Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Already the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold aba, Z Fold2 aba, Z Fold3 aba last year. This year na the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 ne ebeba. Na from report I heard said this year the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra no eba na S Pen ehye ho no. Ene this year so Z Fold4 no so no. Omo be ye baby no ho a obetumi de o S Pen e de ahye. Na initially no last year the eba no na enhye phone nankasem na S Pen no enhye phone nankasem but this time around almost say omo betu to grow phone nankasem a ye betumi de the S Pen no e de ahye na the omo kan say the shipping of foldable smartphones e betumi arise pa na Samsung for cra suggested say on betumi a ship around 30 million foldable smartphones e 2022 year ye womi na foldable so see Samsung na di enim pa because omo two foldable devices in the market, the Samsung Flex and the Samsung Fold. Until this time around ye hwe enim say the Samsung Z Fold any flex no this year say omo de ba ye betumi aton over 30 million of these devices. Midi we are koje fi na enu am kan say me about ZTE na me kan bi say na Realme 4 e release Magdat but ZTE 4 no bia Z40 Pro ni de omo say omo de na omo de ba no omo nyentu ni din de but ombe yen to say the Magdat Realme 4 year and na say be say the MagSafe na Apple 4 year no na they believe say the future of charging and yes yam plug it near to okay say around the 1800s and Tesla introduce wireless electricity achepa but busansa adentina still are use wireless electricity still that's use wires and the connect but this time around over smartphones are bar say wireless charging though you plug it charge and ankasa or one but phone no plug it phone and also they are to charging pad no so na phone ankasa start air charge but see no more the MagSafe any Magdat bar Nubia phone so kaso mo de ne de and also be say MagSafe na at say power bank or the telephone na no na charge
right okay
to Wi-Fi no na say o de ato baby na say power bank on na ma na ehye ho a wo hia cable bia also plug.
So we need just a video in one me say wa subscribe to my YouTube channel, share video e ma friends in na leave a comment e wa see so many Japan say and no share nyankopon share pa me say share bio e wo me next video ni bye bye.